We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It. We are here today with part 3 of our Christmas gift videos. We have got our gift here from Tammy's Mayonnaise. I love this. It's like a poof ball. And I do want to keep it. So I'm just tearing that off now. I should have tore this off, the sticky part. But I want to keep this. I think that it's too adorable, so I'm going to put that off to the side. Here's my new mat from Meals of Interest. So go check out Tammy's page to show her some love. Tammy's Mayonnaise. Tell her that Just Nailed It sent you. And yes, I open a gift like a little kid. Because at heart, that's what I am. Aww. We just got Santa Claus. This is my last and final gift to open. There's tape along the sides of the box. I'm gonna cut the tape. Alright, I'm excited. I'm very excited. Let's take the lid off together. Keep Santa over to the side. Open up the wrapping paper. Okay, first we are going to get our Christmas card. I want to thank everyone who sent me a Christmas card. That was very thoughtful. Love each and every one of you. Oh, is this beautiful? This is beautiful, Tammy. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the blessings of this glorious Christmas season. Much love, Tammy. I think that was just beautiful. Just beautiful. Thank you so much. And now let's dive in. Oh, I'm just so excited to have one of these. Clamp it down. Let's see, what do we have? We have got some bows. Oh. And over here we have got, what are these? I'm sure they're very excited. Oh my god, they're little, like little puppies. Whoops. These could be bunnies. They could be puppies. Whoops. Bows. These are all bows over here. Oh my goodness, all different color bows. Different color doggies. Okay, let me see. Tape. Oh. Oh, we got an assortment of goodies. Oh my god, we got dragonflies and ladybugs. Those are little masquerade masks that I love so very much. I used to collect them. Oh my god. Let me move this for just a brief second. They're little suckers. Look at that. Oh my god, that is too adorable. Oh, look at the bunnies. Wait a minute, these are teddy bears. Oh, these are too precious. They're teddy bears. But they were bunnies at first. Those are too precious. Need my wax picker up. Where is it? These are more teddy bears. Let's see here. Look how sweet. Pineapples. Over here, we have anchor chips, anchors for the chips, you know. We've got starfish and some, oh. These are too cute. These are things I can use throughout summer. Some more of those. Ooh, these are sharp. Those are really sharp looking. Those are really pretty. Thank you. Ooh, Chanel. Oh, look at these. So we're gonna be here a while. Then she got 2 gifts in here that are wrapped. Oh my god, Viola had these. Oh, let me put those out here. These are frogs and piggies. We have got little girls. Oh. Little girls blowing bubbles. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with these. I think those are so cute. Can't wait to play with these. And over here we have got more turtles. Oh my god, look at how sweet those are. Those are so adorable. Some more little girls blowing bubbles. Look. You can make magnets or spinners out of the bigger ones. Oh my god, these are a bunch of little girls. Look at these. These are too adorable, Tammy. I just love them. Look at, we've got 2 gifts here that are wrapped separately. So bad that I didn't wrap any of hers. Everything's just in the box with a bunch of jingle bells. I jingle belled her to death. I don't know when her video is going to be up, but I jingle belled her. Okay, we have got some chips. She tapes the chips. Where's the tape? I get scissors. Let's see. We have got some square nails. I could never have too many of these. It's almost the length I have on. Oh yes, my nails are done, by the way. And they match. I think it's a beautiful color. It's the color my mother got me for Christmas by Simple Colors. I'm getting parts. Hold on one brief moment. Thank you, Tammy. And it says, your present. Tape out. Am I so excited? Oh my God, now I understand. At first I was like, why is she sending me this? Oh my God, Tammy, you're such a goofball. The suction cup's down, of course. Lock it down. Of course, it's not going to suction cup to my my mat right now. This holds. I feel like such a dummy. Oh my God. Okay. This is a practice hand. Get it out of the bag. Oh my God. The clamps on to the stand. Like such. Let me check this out. Oh my God. Oh, how funny. It is posable. Oh my God. How? I feel like such a dummy. Oh my God, I kept thinking, why did she send me this? Maybe for my fear, because I got the flexi fingers. And this is a hand. This is a posable hand. With a set of nails, of course, to fit. Oh my God. Tammy, you are too hilarious. I thank you so very much. I wanted one of these. I've been thinking, you know, should I get one? Should I not? I've been hee-hawing around looking at them on AliExpress. And here she got me one. This is such a great surprise. Oh my God. Thank you so very much. Here you've been talking about how your kids have been getting them for you, and here you surprised me with one. What do you think, folks? We're gonna have to name her. We'll have a naming giveaway. Not just yet. We have our New Year's giveaway going on. I started it. Just started it. Started at Christmas Eve and nobody watched. I had one person enter, and thank you, Jonah. My heart goes out to you that you paid attention. You were the only one. So I'll look for that giveaway, that video for that giveaway. We'll have a giveaway to name my hand. Let's see if I can get her to stick to my desk. You probably have to wet it. I don't know. I'll have to ask Tammy. Oh my God, how hilarious. How freaking hilarious. Let me move my stuff over here. These are all my goodies that Tammy got me for Christmas. I thank you so much, doll. She is my true bestie. She really surprised me. She really did. She surprised the heck out of me. I hope you enjoyed your gifts as well, Tammy. This just cracks me up. Why didn't I catch on when I pulled the stand out? I don't know. Why did she get me this? I don't know. I should have caught on, but I didn't. Not to the end. Thank you, doll. You're the best. Everyone, I hope you had a great Christmas as I did. This is the last of my Christmas nail videos. We're back to nail art. Go find the giveaway video and enter. US, UK. Ladies, enter. Have a blessed day and thank you.